Hi folks! Synthesizers can be intimidating for newbies, so in this video we present 5 of the best synthesizers for beginners. If there's one you think we've missed, let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. The 5th product on our list is the Arturia MiniBrute 2. The Arturia MiniBrute 2 is a fantastic beginner's synthesizer keyboard with an extended synth engine. This compact synthesizer weighs 10.5 pounds or 4.5 kilograms, giving it a solid feel. It has a classic design that combines wood elements with your hardware, making it perfect for your studio setup. The MiniBrute 2 has 3 sections. The first is the sound engine or synthesizer. It has 2 voltage controlled oscillators, 1 multi-mode filter, an ADSR, that's attack, decay, sustain and release, and an AD envelope, an amplifier and 2 low frequency oscillators. The voltage controlled oscillators, labelled VCO2, feature a slimmed down control. It has a knob for mixing, a toggle switch that lets you switch to low frequency mode, and a wave toggle. On the multi-mode filter, Arturia gives you the option of low, high and band pass plus notch. The filter works with the envelopes to control the frequency. On the ADSR section you'll find slider knobs for attack, decay, sustain and release. You'll get great controls to elevate your performance in the performance section. The wheels are solid aluminium with ribbed sides, making them easier to operate. You can increase the pitch bend range by 1 octave, and if you need more you can use the key transpose function to increase or decrease the range by several octaves. The MiniBrute sequencer and arpeggiator have various playing modes with directions, clock divisions, gate lengths and swing factors. You can activate the gate lengths and swing factors using the shift function on the keyboard. You'll love that you can record 8 different sequences with up to 64 steps each internally via USB, MIDI or analog. Here's something you should know before buying the Arturia MiniBrute 2. Some users note that the oscillator 2 control is too close to the filter cutoff. If you're a beginner looking for a fantastic synthesizer keyboard on the affordable end of the market, you'll love the Arturia MiniBrute 2. The 4th product on our list is the Korg Volca Beats. The Korg Volca Beats is a great 16-step synthesizer for beginners. Initially, this synthesizer looks straightforward with controls well suited for those just starting out with production. It is a sequencer, so this is the way to go if you're looking to experiment with beats. It has a sleek aesthetic with its black construction accented with bronze coloured pads. Korg equips this synthesizer with classic and unique sounds you will enjoy. You'll love that there are 6 analog and 4 PCM based drum parts. You'll also have freedom to edit in real time using the Volca Beats intuitive user interface. This gives you the option to cut, mix and slice loops. The 6 editable analog parts have dedicated knobs per function. You'll also use the PCM parts for speed control when changing pitch. Korg gives you 8 memory patches to explore all you want. The great thing about this synthesizer is that you get maximum impact and usability with minimal parameters. As an example, the PCM sound engine covers sounds that aren't suited for the analog synth, like clap, claves and crash. Another exciting thing is that you'll have access to lo-fi sounds reminiscent of the 80s. Here's something you should know before buying the Korg Volca Beats. Some users note that the snare function can be a bit lacking. If you're looking for an excellent beginner's synthesizer for beats, you'll love the Korg Volca Beats. The 3rd product on our list is the Roland JD-08. The Roland JD-08 is a compact and convenient synthesizer for beginners. Musicians may recognise its similarities with the classic JD-800, and they'd be right. Roland gives this synthesizer the JD-800's authentic sound and behaviour coupled with modern sound modelling capabilities. Specifically, the JD-08 includes 64 presets from the original hardware and perfectly recreates the 4-tone structure, 108 waveforms and unique 2-part multi-effects. The controls are extensive, so you'll have a lot of control over your parameters. Of course, the updated aspect of this synthesizer is that you get new patches plus 256 memory locations. This allows you to delve deep into the effects and create sounds you're sure to love. Once you're done with your patches, fire up the 2-part polyphonic sequencer. You can start programming leads, bass lines or chords to go with your music. If you want to add animated movement to your sound, you'll love the motion recording and onboard arpeggiator. The Roland JD-08 is perfect for travelling with. You can control it using the master keyboard or an external DAW. Another convenient aspect is that the JD-08 can run on standard AA batteries for hours on end, so you won't have to worry about your session getting cut short. Of course, you'll love the onboard speakers, which serve as a convenient monitoring tool. Here's something you should know before buying the Roland JD-08. Some users dislike that it doesn't come with a travel pouch. If you're looking for the classic sound of the JD-800 combined with modern tools, look no further than the Roland JD-08. The second product on our list is the Korg Minilogue XD. The Korg Minilogue XD is an excellent polyphonic synthesizer for beginners. It features an analog synthesizer circuit that gives you a distinct sound along with practical features like wave shaping, cross modulation and a drive switch. Korg thoughtfully included the best parameters that musicians want from their synths. You'll love that the Minilogue XD is equipped with a digital multi-engine with 3 different sound generators. The noise generator provides 4 types of noise for percussive sounds. To change the colour of the noise, you can use the digital filter. After this is the variable phase modulation oscillator, which produces sharp metallic sounds with complex overtones that go beyond the usual effects of analog systems. With the help of the 16 types of oscillators and the shape knob controls, you can create unique sounds intuitively. Finally, there's the user oscillator, which enables you to load oscillator programs that you can find online. There are 16 user slots plus a morphing wavetable oscillator preset. The digital effects of the Korg Minilogue XD are to die for. The effects use 32-bit floating point DSP, adding a finishing touch to its deep sound design platform. Here's something you should know before buying the Korg Minilogue XD. Some users dislike that all the audio jacks are 1/4 inch. If you're in the market for a well-rounded synthesizer for beginners, you're sure to love Korg's Minilogue XD. The first product on our list is the Teenage Engineering OP1. The Teenage Engineering OP1 is a portable synthesizer that's perfect for beginners. The first thing you'll notice about the OP1 is its striking look. This synthesizer features a white aesthetic with playful blue, green, orange and black accents which give it a youthful look. This is a convenient device, so you get a neat package with a synthesizer, sampler and controller. The great thing about the OP1 is how intuitive its controls are. They're logically laid out, so even beginners will get used to them in no time. The synthesizer boasts 8 onboard engines with 8 quick selection keys and 3 excellent sequencers that allow you to make changes on the fly. The 24 voice instant sampler allows you to sample from onboard music, FM radio and more. There's an onboard 4-track tape recorder with variable speed which lets you tweak your music live. On both sides of the recorder you'll get 6 minutes of recording time, which adds up to 24 minutes. The mixer also has controls for the parameters such as EQ, effect and drive, so you can add texture. There's also a master out for fine-tuning your sound. It also has a dedicated VU meter that displays the sound levels and control over pan. Here's something you should know before buying the Teenage Engineering OP1. It has an expensive price tag, which some beginners may dislike. If you're looking for a well-equipped synthesizer for beginners, you'll love the Teenage Engineering OP1. And there you have it folks, the 5 synthesizers for beginners that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, check out this one on drum machines on the left, or this one on DAW control surfaces on the right. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.